Grandmaster Class.
Ayo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Grandmaster, back at ya with another video. Have another unboxing video for you guys, but before we start, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Together we're gonna grow this channel. Alrighty, so I've ordered myself a sandblaster to add to the studio. Gonna be adding a few more tools, so just like the last video with the rotary, I'm gonna be just adding slowly, piece by piece, tools to my studio so I can continue to evolve. Like most things, I don't know what I'm doing. Nobody's shown me how to do it, so I'm just jumping right into it. Just self-taught like most things. I've done quite a bit of research online, but I just think it's cool to take you guys along for the ride because I don't really know what I'm doing. So I think I'm gonna do a time-lapse unboxing it, and I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys what I have right here. So this is gonna be the tabletop sandblaster. It's about 36 pounds, pretty heavy. As well, you have to have blasting media to send through it. I've done my research. I think this is gonna be the best sand blasting media. It's 8 pounds each. I got 16 ounces. The sandblaster itself holds, I think, 25 pounds. So I've got almost enough. If I feel like I need to add another bag, then I will. It's in here. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Just looks like sand. As well, you need a compressor to run everything. So this I've borrowed from my dad. I think I'm going to need a bigger compressor. It's got 110 PSI, but I cannot figure out the CFM. The CFM on a sandblaster is the most important thing. The way I've understood it, the CFM is how much air is actually pushing the sand, not about how much pressure is behind it. So I know that it needed at least 100, so that is 110 PSI. But the question is the CFM rating powerful enough to run a sandblaster? I guess we're gonna find out. But I'm gonna run a time-lapse unboxing this thing. I don't think I'm gonna be using it yet, but I will unbox it and show you guys what I think. Hell yeah, this is pretty substantial. I'm gonna definitely need to make some space for it. These are the tiny little legs that go down below. This is where your hands slip in. It's got an exhaust, a light in there. That's where the sand drains down. Inside there should be the sandblasting gun. So I'm gonna clean up my mess and probably wrap up this video. Alrighty guys, I think that's where I'm gonna wrap up the video. Definitely keep an eye out for when I have this sandblaster fully set up. And actually, if you guys have ever used a sandblaster, drop any tips or tricks that you know about this in the comments below. Any advice would be greatly appreciated. I'll definitely be able to read your comments. So other than that, guys, I appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and remember, never stop evolving.
Grandmaster Glass.